Hello there, my name's Richard Hurstwood from Hurstwood Training, and what I want to do today is explain and show you the brand new Sensory LED projector. It is actually designed and manufactured specially for sensory rooms and sensory work. Let me show you why. Right, let's fit the rotator. This looks pretty big and bulky because this is actually a new one. It's called a dual wheel rotator. Fitted in one way and it fits your 6-inch effect wheels like that. Now if we take out the rotator and take the 6-inch effect wheel off the dual wheel rotator, turn it over, which I just have done, and then the rotator will accept one of the big wheels. So you only need one rotator. That's really good instead of having two. So you can put 6-inch wheels on, or you can put the big wheels on there. That's really great. So all you do, slide it into the gate of the projector, as you can see there, and then plug your lead into the side. Just 2 sockets now, that's enough for us. And then switch it on and you're away. We used to have to buy different speed rotators, but now with this rotator, you don't. You can change the speed of the wheel on the rotator itself. The other thing is you can actually change the direction of this wheel. So let's slow this balloon's wheel down. It's going really, really quickly. There we go. Just slow it, slow it, slow it. This is really useful. Being able to go really slow is fantastic. With the old projectors, we couldn't do this because the lamps were too warm and they would actually burn through the wheel. But with LEDs, it is really, really nice and cool. So look at that. That's a lovely speed. If you're doing a story like The Blue Balloon or something with children and you just want the wheel to go around slowly, it gives you a chance. And then you can speed it up again or make it go the other way, which is a fantastic feature. There you go. Just speed it up. Yahoo! Slow it down. Let's go. Now I should say that this dual wheel rotator will probably fit in most of the Opti range of projectors. Oh, by the way, you may think this is upside down. I've actually put one of the big wheels in, which means that your little button instructions do go upside down, but hey ho, we know what we're doing. Now the projector itself is very light, it's very cold, it's a totally different beast, and look at this, you can attach switches to it. Yeah, directly to the projector without a switching system. Let me show you how it works. Right, so where you want to look is down the bottom at the back here. See, it says motors and light. Right. So what you do is take a switch, any switch with a 1/4-inch jack plug on, that's one of the big ones like that, and then plug it into the back. There's actually 2 sockets. I'm going to plug it into the right-hand socket. And you will see that this should operate the lights. And it does work in different modes, in momentary, and it works in a latched mode as well. You can see there, just press the switch and it's working. Take a closer look at the switch just there, it says light. Now that is switched to 1, which is a momentary mode. Let me show you what that is. Momentary means while you press the switch down, the projector will stay on. The moment you let go, it switches off. Let's try that again. Press it once for on, and it will stay on whilst you're keeping the switch pressed. Let go, and it's off. Switch the light switch to 0. We're now in a latched mode. So this is once for on, but this time letting go of the switch keeps it on. Once for off. So once for on, and once for off. Dead easy. Now if I take the jack plug out of there and plug it into there, with the switch I can now control the rotator. So watch what happens in this first mode. I press the switch and the rotator stops. So the image actually stops. It's in a momentary mode, so it only stops for the moment I actually press the switch. A bit of focus there. So there you are, switch pressed, it stops. Like that. And then it starts again. This could be really useful for a teacher to have, so you can actually stop it there, talk about the balloons. Can anybody see the blue balloon? It's there. Right, let's carry on, and we'll carry on with our story. Next one is latched. Once for on, and you see the wheel is rotating, and then once for off. And the last mode on the motor is momentary. So you momentary the motor on, and then let go, it switches off. So keep it pressed, it stays on, let go, it switches off. Compared to the old Solar 250 projector, the OptiSensory LED projector is a massive step forward. The only slight drawbacks with this are you have to plug the switches directly into the projector, and if you're working on a high shelf that may be a little difficult. But on the plus side, this projector is a lot more portable, simply because it's much lighter and it stays cold even when it's switched on. The LED means that we're not going to be blowing fuses and changing lamps all the time. It is just a massive improvement. So I now think it's been thought through pretty well. So this projector is fantastic, and as you can see, it even works with the old liquid wheels from the 1970s, and I must admit this is absolutely mesmerizing. So thanks very much for watching OptiSensory LED. If you go to the website www.optikinetics.co.uk/products/sensory-LED-projector. You'll find it there. Do you know that website address is almost as bad as mine? Fantastic. So there you are, a quick review of the OptiSensory LED projector. I think it is actually really very, very nice. So, Hurstwood Training. My name is Richard Hurstwood. Don't forget the website, www.multi-sensory-room.co.uk. We're on Twitter at HurstwoodT and Facebook.com/Hurstwood Training. Hopefully see you there.